Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for Yammer users, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Yammer experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Yammer? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info and messages stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never risk exposing your IP while chatting or sharing files on Yammer. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your activity on the network. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters when using Yammer. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Yammer because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be loaded with phishing scams or harmful links shared in Yammer groups, even when the VPN is off. It also has a neat tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with coworkers or teams for a super safe private Yammer environment. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you UNLMIDE'd simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, laptop, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Yammer user can verify there are no backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's legally proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Yammer user dealing with slow or inconsistent connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest possible latency. This can help route your Yammer traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that speed gain. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Yammer? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means fewer delays and smooth message sending. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady response times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with occasional spikes depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency matters most to you. You can't stand delays in Yammer chats, or you want the best overall VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a lot of devices or multiple Yammer users in your household or office. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Yammer user who needs proof to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for Yammer. See you soon.